Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, today we have three different openings from three different companies, which provides a greater CTC. Okay, so let's discuss what are those in detail. So, first, I'm starting with Cisco. So, the link to apply all the jobs will be there in the description. You can pick it from there and start your registration. So, before that, watch this video to know about the details. Okay, so starting with the Cisco, they are hiring for the consulting engineer, that is new graduate, and it's in India, and location is Bangalore, India. Then customer experience and everything is given here. You can just go through that. And job description is very important for you guys, like what you will do, just to know about the things. Like when you got your interview scheduled in, it's very important to know about it. Then only you'll be able to perform everything well. So go through that. And coming to what you are, that is the eligibility criteria. So recent graduate or on your final year of studies towards a bachelor's of master's degree in a technical field such as networking or computer science or information technology or electrical or computer engineering or similar fields. Okay, that is technical field. Now, minimum GPA of 8.5 and above. This requirement is only for 2022 pass outs. Okay, and fluent in English, passionate about networking, information technology, or computer science, strong analytical and problem solving skills with ability to troubleshoot technical problems, ability to multitask, self start, and work in fast paced team environment, and the ability to work independently. Okay, so the basic qualification criteria that they have mentioned is you must be a final year student, like 2022 pass out students in bachelor's or master's degree in technical field, networking, computer science, everything is what they're looking here, and minimum 8.5 CGP and 2020 pass outs. Okay, so batch criteria, everything is much more clear here. So to apply for that, you can click on this apply now button and continue with the application process. Yes, you have to make your login. Okay, so you can just give the mail ID and the username that you have made it. If you have already made a profile under Cisco Careers, you can use the same profile with necessary alterations to be made. Else, if you are new to it, make sure that you make a profile with all your personal information and all your graduation details, your personal information, your contact details, in the sense phone number, mail ID, and your address information, and the field of interest that you are looking forward for, your skill set. These are the things that you should keep here. So this is about the registration step. After that, you can submit. Okay, so this is about the registration step. And to the freshers, obviously Cisco used to provide like 4 plus LPA. It's a core jobs provided, so that is about the package details as well. Okay, next we have an opening from EPAM India. So they are hiring. So before that, I have something very interesting to show to you guys. That is an initiative by An Academy. So they are they have come up with so many things, like a complete placement pack, actually, that is how the tips and tricks, the technical interview questions, how you have to move forward your career to get into placed in this kind of field in corporate, so everything. So these is complete thing on the what current trends on the technical or the corporate field is provided in there. So make sure that you have a look, I mean, make a look at glance look at this as well. So this is a website. The link to the website will be also provided in the description. You can just go with that and start with it. So this is a recent event that is about to start on August 28th. It's an accelerating development by Anuj. So you can see that the schedule, everything is provided here, like where and all it is happening, when and all it's happening, and everything. So it's obviously interactive session. You will get to interact with this person and get all your queries done. Okay, so to get the subscription, you can just click on this get subscription link and you can move complete your registration process. So to this registration, 83 rupees per month is the price provided, but online study for your family, you don't actually need to pay the same amount. You will be having some benefits of being a team. So you can choose this code pratikkumar.125. That coupon code also I'll be providing it in the description. So while using that code, you will get a discount. You can see that sudden discount of rupees 75 months per month only. So this is the thing. And what you get in a month is this. Every days in a week, expect like 1 or 2 days every weeks, every days in a week you are having so much sessions on the same clearing everything from your projects. Then after your graduation, how you have to prepare for the interview, what are the openings available, and how can you move your career as a software developer in engineering field and everything. So all of the things are there in different time schedules. So almost every day in a month is packed with the schedules, and it's just 75 rupees per month to go. Okay, so in total 899, so 10% discount that you can provide with the coupon code. So make sure you enroll to these kind of opportunities so you have a better visibility on the like all the things regarding your placement needs and your career. Okay, so you start your career well. So this is the page that you have to get on to go for the same. There are numerous things you can get into this page as well. Okay, so this is about it. So guys, make sure that you make your yes registration the same. So now coming back to our hiring thing. So EPAM is the next company which is hiring for 2022-2020 graduates only. Okay, so here you can see that coming to the process. Okay, so now coming to the eligibility criteria, the job title is Junior Software Engineer. It is only for 2020 graduates, and education qualification is given here. That is for the BE, BTech, MTech, and yes, engineering graduates with minimum 60% across. And the experience criteria is 0 to 12 months, like 0 to 1 years of criteria, with relevant training on the work experience either on core Java or JavaScript, Angular, React, JS, ASP, ADO.NET, along with data structures, algorithms, and object-oriented programming. Now, the job location will be any of the EPAM Indian office, that is on Hyderabad, Pune, Bengaluru, Chennai, and Gurgaon. Now, the training location will be Hyderabad. Now, coming to the hiring process, you'll be having a round of online coding assessment. Then you'll be having a technical and HR interview. Then coming to the CTC details, it's 6 lakhs per annum plus standard benefits. And if selected and offered you, you'll be assigned to one of the below 3 technical track races. That is the 3 openings available. So these are the 3. So to know about more of the details regarding the opening, you can go with the link that they have mentioned. And online coding assessment will be on Saturday, like 4th of September. And joining dates will be from either from the November or the December. Okay. Now, training will be conducted for offered candidates for first 2 months at Hyderabad office. In case office is reopened, lockdown, if it is continued, then it will be through the Microsoft Teams, like online. And details will be shared with eligible students. All eligible candidates will receive online coding assessment link on registered email, everything. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So registration closes on 1st of September, Wednesday. So make sure you make your registration at the earliest. So these is the openings available. So you can just select one of them. So I've selected this currently. So you have to go for your full name, email ID, then mobile number, gender, graduation, college name, education qualification, then specialization. Then are you a 2020 graduates alone? You have to provide that, and your state. Then how do you heard about EPAM, and are you currently employed? So if you are a 2020 student and if you have already got into any of the company and you wish to change, then you can skip S and complete the remaining steps like notice period things. And if no, you can provide the no. And have you undergone any trainings in any training institution? If yes, you have to provide the details regarding the same, like where was the location, where was the job, and all the details regarding. If no, you have to provide the no details. And will you be available to join the dates, which date and preferred job location you have to provide, then the remarks and everything, then go for the next. So when you submit your profile, the follow back activities will be through your mail. So you will be getting the mail for the assessment and perform the assessment and go for it. Okay, so 6 lakhs per annum is the package provided, I mean the solid package, along with the other incentives. That's it. So that's it about the opening in EPAM. So I think it's pretty much clear to you. If everything is good, let's move on to the other job, which is opening at Amdocs. So Amdocs is having an opening still open. They have still opening for the software engineer associate graduate, Pune. So now coming to, yes, what you need is BE, BTech, MTech, ME, NMCA stream, ENTC, CS, IT, and ENC only. Okay, throughout 60% with no year down, passing out in 2020. So this opening is only for 2020 batch, and 60% throughout your graduation is what they're expecting. And you can see this is the batch criteria and the graduation criteria they're looking forward for. Okay, so this is about the opening in Amdocs. So to apply, you can just click on this apply now link and continue with your application process. Okay, so I've been open to this page for a long time, so I have to refresh it. If it shows like expired, don't worry, you can refresh it and click on the apply now, because if you opened and kept a page for a long time, it shows you are not eligible to move forward. The page have been expired. It's very common with most of the pages of the company. Yeah. So now this is about the registration page. You have to upload your resume, then your yes, all your details regarding the same total work experience in years, and if you don't have any, you can just give zeros. Okay, number of days required to join, that is 0, and expected yearly compensation, you can just provide it. And yeah, can give all the details regarding the same and then apply for the same. Okay, so this is the about the opening in Amdocs. So guys, if you wish to make a registration to all the jobs that I've presented today, make sure that you apply to the same. So Amdocs is for 2020 graduates, Cisco is for 2022 graduates, and EPAM is also for 2020 graduates only. Okay, so guys, yeah, that's all about the openings that I have today. So make sure you make it to the application. So now guys, if you have any further doubts regarding the same, please to mention in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until we meet again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.